Welcome to this journey of understanding, where we delve deep into the spiritual truths that guide our lives. Today we're exploring a topic that is both powerful and crucial: why you should never reveal your emotions to people. It's a lesson that may seem harsh, but one that can protect you from the snares laid by those who may not have your best interests at heart, even those closest to you. In life, we are taught to be open, to share our feelings and emotions, to be vulnerable with those we trust. But the harsh reality is that not everyone deserves access to the deepest parts of your soul. There are snakes that lay wait in the grass, silent and unseen, ready to strike when you're at your most vulnerable. These are the people who smile to your face, who nod and agree when you pour out your heart. But deep within, they harbor intentions that are far from pure. They listen, not to understand or support you, but to gather ammunition. Ammunition that can and will be used against you when the time is right. And it's not just strangers or acquaintances we need to be wary of. Even those who share our blood, family members who we believe would never betray us, can sometimes be the most dangerous. The serpent doesn't always appear as an enemy. Sometimes it comes disguised as a friend, a brother, a sister, or a parent. They strike in ways that are subtle, yet devastating, exploiting your weaknesses for their gain. In the spiritual realm, we understand that the enemy comes to steal, kill, and destroy. This enemy uses people, even those we trust, to disrupt our peace and break our spirits. Your emotions, when exposed to the wrong people, become tools for their destruction. They may take your fears and use them to manipulate you, or your hopes and dreams to lead you into traps. Consider this: every time you reveal a piece of your heart to someone, you are placing a part of your soul in their hands. Not everyone has the integrity or the spiritual strength to hold that part of you with care. Some will take it and twist it, turning your trust into betrayal, your love into pain. But there is hope. You don't have to live in fear or isolation. There is a way to safeguard yourself from these tactics. The key lies in discernment, spiritual discernment. Not everyone who smiles at you is your friend, and not every family member deserves your deepest truths. So how do you protect yourself? The answer is simple but profound. Seek wisdom and understanding in all things. Pray for discernment to see people for who they truly are. Trust your instincts. If something feels off, it probably is. Share your emotions selectively with those who have proven their loyalty and love over time, through actions, not just words. Guard your heart, for it is the wellspring of life. When you are careful about who you let in, you will find that peace and strength become your companions. Remember, it is not a sign of weakness to protect your emotions. It is a sign of wisdom. And in this world, wisdom is your greatest weapon against the schemes of those who would seek to harm you. Thank you for staying with me till the end of this journey. May you walk in wisdom and guard your heart always. If this message resonates with you, please like, share, and subscribe for more spiritual insights. Until next time, stay blessed and vigilant.